at Coco Cay. Perfect day at Coco Cay today. Okay, so the day is finally here. We're off the ship. This is the entire reason we booked a Royal Caribbean cruise for the first time, because usually we cruise with Carnival. And I'll show you guys where we are. We have our sister ship next to us, the Anthem of the Seas, right there, right here. And then our ship, the Freedom of the Seas, right next to it. We're at Coco Cay. Perfect day at Coco Cay today. I'm so excited to try out this island. We have water park passes for the 4 of us to go in the water park, and we have a day bed booked, and I'm looking forward to having a relaxing day on the beach.
Good morning.
Good morning. Water park first. No, we're good, thanks. Thank you. Okay, so we're inside the water park now. We're putting our stuff in a locker. I myself am not going on the water slides. I'm going to get my husband here to put the chest cam on for the action camera, and I'm going to get footage of the water park for you guys. Apparently Coco Cay has the tallest water slide in North America. Check it out. And I guess it just drops from underneath you. I like water slides, but I don't like body slides where you're not on a tube or anything, because I don't like how it scratches up your back. And usually my favorite part of a water park is a lazy river, and they don't have a lazy river here. So the water slides at the water park here on Coco Cay were really fun. My husband and the boys had a blast going on all of them. See, on this slide, you get to race against each other on the mats. I think they
almost tied because they all pretty much came down at the same time. And in this next slide, Corbin and Austin were in a two together, and then Pat had to go on his own. Unfortunately, we couldn't get any slide shots for you guys because the only slide they said that the action cams were allowed on were the big tall slide, so we couldn't get any shots of the other slides for you guys. One funny thing about the island of Coco Cay is there are chickens everywhere. I guess this is the chickens island, and they just let us use it to have some water fun. Now, the one bad thing about having the tallest water slide in North America is the stairs required to get to the tallest slide in North America. After doing a couple of slides and climbing up a few of the stairs already, my husband and my sons were not willing to do the stairs at all for this slide. So we decided to skip it for now and just head on over to our daybed to start with our chill beach day.
So we're done in the water park for now. We have an all-day pass, so we can come in and out whenever we want. But now I think Pat's going to go get a drink from the bar, and then we are going to head to our daybed on Chill Island and maybe do a little snorkeling. None of them have gone up to the red slide yet because it's a lot of stairs, and I think my husband needs a little bit more liquid courage before he goes up there. Okay, so I snorkeled for a bit and that was a fail. Obviously I need to look up a video on how to snorkel properly. So right now we're just chilling on our daybed. We rented a daybed for the day. It was $199. It comes with, for 4 people, it comes with 4 waters, 4 towels, the daybed, 2 chairs and an umbrella, and 2 floating mats, and then we all have our own like daybed concierge. And then we have our own like little beach access. It's pretty nice. The daybed's very comfortable. So I'm just gonna chill on the bed for a while, and then I'm gonna attempt to snorkel again. Okay guys, so I'm sitting in my daybed drinking a virgin pina colada because you know I don't drink alcohol. Corbin, Austin, and Pat are at the water park again to enjoy the slides, and I'm just chilling in the daybed enjoying the sun. And then after that I think we're going to go to the lunch buffet, which I'll show you guys what they have for options there. The view that I have today, I could look at this all day, every day. It's just gorgeous here. Beautiful breeze, beautiful palm trees, beautiful beach. It's really nice here.
So we decided to eat at Chill Grill for lunch. As you can see, there is a ton of options for food. They had a salad bar, they had hot dogs and burgers and pre-made sandwiches, chicken and corn, tons of fresh fruit, juices, waters, and desserts. There was so much food available. They had a taco bar where you can get a variety of different meats on your tacos and just endless amount of food that you could want for a beach day. And of course, everything is included in the cost of the cruise. And another good thing about Coco Cay is if you do have the drink package on the ship, you are able to use your drink package or your refreshment package on Coco Cay, so you don't have to worry about any extra expenses by going to the bar and getting some fun drinks. So this action cam is brand new to me, so the audio is a little messed up, but I'm pretty sure here I'm saying is I'm going to attempt to go snorkel again, even though I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm still going to give it a try.
So we're heading back to the ship now. It was a beautiful day in Coco Cay. It's about 3:30. We've been on the island since 8. Now it's time to shower. My lips feel weird for being in the salt water so much and snorkeling all day. So now it's time to shower and enjoy our last night on the ship. Well, you can see behind me, we're leaving Coco Cay, and it's so sad because I love that place. I will definitely be doing Royal Caribbean again just to go to Coco Cay. I think one of the really good things about Coco Cay is you can do it whatever way you want. If you want a chill day on the beach, you can have a chill day on the beach. If you want to go all out in the water park and have fun that way, you can. Or you can go for a party in the pool. You can do it however you want. There's something for everybody to do, and it's just a beautiful beach. It's a beautiful island. We're definitely going to be coming back. Coco Cay, we will see you again. Our sister ship, the Anthem, is right in front of us. Yep, we're racing towards Miami together. We got a beautiful sunset in the distance. So this is our last night on the cruise. Tomorrow we're back in Miami, and then we are making the long drive home. So I'm going to end this vlog here. So next time you see me, I will be home already. Bye guys.
I hope you like this cruise series of our Freedom of the Seas cruise. Stay tuned for more adventures. We have more cruises coming up, as well as Corbin and I heading down south towards Arizona in February. So stay tuned for more adventures, and thanks for watching, guys.
Dream, journey, adventure.